Are you feeling tired all the time, struggling with stubborn weight gain, sugar cravings, or digestive issues? Are you dealing with chronic conditions like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, or autoimmune problems? If any of this sounds familiar, it may be time for a reboot. That's where my 5-day juice challenge comes in. Hi, I'm Michelle Blackwood. I'm a registered nurse and author, food blogger, health coach, and the founder of Healthier Steps, which is a leading gluten free vegan website that I've been running for over 13 years. I've discovered a way to use juicing and intermittent fasting to not only shed weight, but also to detoxify the body, boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and kick those stubborn cravings to the curb. I've been on this journey myself and I've learned what really works to achieve sustainable, lasting health. On average, participants in my 5-day juice challenge have lost between 8 to 13 pounds in just 5 days. Robbins shared, before the challenge, I was in severe pain, and after 3 days of juicing, my pain went away. And Michelle added that she lost a total of 12.5 pounds in just 5 days without starving. And guess what? She wasn't even able to eat her steamed veggies while transitioning. So if you're dealing with chronic issues or just want to feel better in your own skin, then this 5-day juice challenge is exactly what you need. I'm looking for 50 serious participants who are ready to make a real change. Join me and let's reboot your system together. I'll be there to guide you at every step of the way. So just click on the button below to sign up, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.